and it will break up again. So the alternative to doing that is, especially if you still have a very good working headphone, is to just use one of these. Simple screw, nut and bolt with rings. Now what I'm going to do is just open this up. I'm not, don't know if I need the big ring. I think I'm just going to need 2 smaller rings. Just screw this in from the outside. Not from the outside, to the outside, like that. I'm going to put the big ring on the outside and the small ring to lock it in. Whoops. And the small ring